The world is changing rapidly. Traditional jobs are becoming less secure. Many people are searching for ways to supplement their income. Side hustles are more popular than ever. But not all side hustles are created equal. Some offer fleeting opportunities while others provide lasting rewards. In the quest for financial freedom, one side hustle stands out: rank and rent. This model offers a sustainable path to passive income, empowering individuals to achieve their financial goals. The allure of quick riches often leads individuals down paths of empty promises. Master resale rights courses, for example, might seem enticing, but they rarely deliver lasting success. Rank and rent, on the other hand, is a business model built on tangible value and long-term growth. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about building a sustainable income stream that can provide financial security for years to come. Our digital real estate rank and rent course will teach you everything you need to know to be a successful digital landlord by following our time-tested, proven process. Imagine owning digital real estate assets that you own, and that generate passive residual income every month for years to come. This is the essence of rank and rent. This innovative model involves creating and ranking websites for local businesses. These businesses then rent these websites, benefiting from increased online visibility and a steady stream of leads. The website owner, in turn, enjoys a recurring revenue stream. The rank and rent model is a win-win situation for everyone involved. Local businesses gain a powerful marketing tool without the hassle of managing their online presence. Website owners, meanwhile, build a portfolio of digital assets that generate passive income. It's a symbiotic relationship that fosters growth and prosperity. Don't know how to build websites or just don't want to? No problem. Let our AI tool build them for you. Regardless of your age, experience level, or work history, anyone can master rank and rent after taking our course. Our time-tested digital real estate rank and rent course will teach you to follow our proven step-by-step process to become a successful digital landlord, earning passive residual monthly income for years to come. Master resale rights courses were once touted as a path to online riches. However, the reality is far less glamorous. These courses often peddle outdated information and oversaturated markets. Competition is fierce and profits are elusive. Rank and Rent, in contrast, offers a refreshing alternative. With Rank and Rent, you're not selling information, you're providing a valuable service. Local businesses are always in need of online visibility and lead generation. This constant demand ensures a steady stream of potential clients. Moreover, the recurring revenue model of Rank and Rent provides financial stability and predictability. Don't miss out. Sign up for our digital real estate rank and rent course today and get all the skills, tools, and information you need to be a successful digital landlord. The beauty of rank and rent lies in its simplicity. The process can be broken down into a few manageable steps. First, identify a profitable niche with low competition and the best markets to target. Our course will teach you how to do this. Next, conduct thorough keyword research to understand what potential customers are searching for. Our course will give you the skills and tools needed to do your keyword and market research. Then, create a professional, user-friendly website that caters to the chosen niche. We'll teach you 3 ways to build websites. 1. From scratch. 2. By using one of the pre-built templates we have for hundreds of different niches. Or 3. Just let our AI web builder do the work for you. Once the website is live, it's time to implement search engine optimization or SEO strategies to improve its ranking in search results. As the website climbs the rankings, it will attract more organic traffic. The next step is to capture website forms, estimate requests, or even requests to schedule an appointment. These come from the website through contact forms or incoming phone calls from people looking for the services listed on your website. Finally, reach out to local businesses in the chosen niche and offer the website rental service. We'll even show you how to rent it before it generates any leads, so your renter pays you to rank your own asset. When we rent a site, we put the renter's logo and business name on the site, but we still own the asset. And all incoming calls and website leads are funneled through our automated system so we can track the amount and quality of the leads, which allow us to set the value of our digital asset correctly. So to sum up, we'll teach you our process on how to build websites, how to rank them, how to price them the right way, and how to get them rented. You'll also get all of our contract templates, scripts, niche ratings, and much more. Don't wait. Join our digital real estate rank and rent masterclass and be on your way to financial freedom. Empowering local businesses through rank and rent. In today's digital age, online visibility is paramount to success. However, many local businesses struggle to navigate the complexities of online marketing. Rank and Rent offers a lifeline. By renting a pre-ranked website, local businesses can instantly tap into a stream of qualified leads. This model frees up local business owners to focus on what they do best, serving their customers. They no longer have to worry about the technicalities of SEO or website management. Rank and Rent empowers them to compete in the digital marketplace and thrive in their respective industries. If you're ready to change your financial situation for the better, sign up for our digital real estate rank and rent masterclass today. Ashton James Rank and Rent course is your guide to rank and rent mastery. Navigating the world of rank and rent can seem daunting at first. That's where Ashton James Rank and Rent course comes in. As a renowned expert in the digital marketing, web development, and rank and rent space, Ashton James Marketing and Web Development has developed a comprehensive course that equips aspiring entrepreneurs with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the rank and rent business. Ashton James's course covers everything from website creation and SEO to lead generation and client acquisition. You'll learn how to build websites the right way, how to get them ranked, how to price them the right way, and how to get them rented. Students receive personalized guidance and support, ensuring they have the tools and confidence to build a thriving rank and rent business. With Ashton James, CEO, as your mentor, success is within reach. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for our digital real estate rank and rent masterclass today and learn all the skills you need to be successful in the digital real estate world. The lucrative potential of rank and rent. The income potential of rank and rent is virtually limitless. The amount you earn depends on factors like niche selection, website quality, and marketing efforts. However, with the right approach, it's possible to generate substantial passive income. Imagine earning $500 per month from a single website. Now imagine earning $1,000 per month from a single website, or even $2,000 per month from a single website. Now imagine owning a portfolio of 10 websites, each generating a steady stream of passive income. Or owning 20 websites, each generating a steady stream of passive income. Or even 50 websites, each generating a steady stream of passive income. This is the power of rank and rent. It's a scalable business model that allows you to grow your income exponentially. If you really want to earn monthly, passive, residual income, then don't wait. Sign up for our digital real estate rank and rent course today. Real stories, real success testimonials from rank and rent entrepreneurs. The success of rank and rent is not just theoretical, it's backed by countless real-life success stories. People from all walks of life are using this model to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. Take Sarah, Ann, and Kathy, for example, single mothers who are struggling to make ends meet. After discovering rank and rent, each of them were able to quit their dead-end jobs and build a thriving business from home. They now enjoy financial security and the flexibility to spend more time with their family and children. Their stories are a testament to the transformative power of rank and rent. Are you ready to ditch your dead-end job? Then don't wait. Join our Rank and Rent Masterclass today. Take charge of your future with Rank and Rent. The year is 2025. The traditional job market is more unstable than ever. Are you content with the status quo, or are you ready to take control of your financial future? Rank and Rent offers a path to freedom, flexibility, and financial abundance. The opportunity is knocking. Will you answer the call? Join the Rank and Rent revolution and unlock your true earning potential. The time for action is now. Don't let this life-changing opportunity pass you by. Put "I'm ready" in the comments and I'll send you a link to watch a short video showing you what is in our course and real-world, real-time examples of our success. You can also book a call there to answer any questions you have.